Hi, this is Tufan from Tickinteractive. In this scene, you see Apple Vision Pro's default rendering and lighting. The glass is capturing real-world view images to send light and reflections into your scene. You can see green kitchen on the semi and full reflective objects like balls and mirrors. How about if you want to see your real scene lighting and visuals like in Unity? PolySpatial is still in development, and yes, it is possible, even if it sometimes works broken in older versions. These shaders comes in handy here. Tick PolySpatial shaders allows you to use Unity lighting light maps plus reflection probes. Or you can use both mixed real-world or your scene reflections. Another problem is that the device changes exposure of your scene according to the light intensity in the real view. In different light conditions, it can disrupt the visibility of your game or scene. At this point, you can completely get rid of this with Apple Vision Pro and Metal rendering.